First thing, you're gonna put your heading, top right corner. You're gonna put a line next to 1, 4, 7. You're gonna put a line under 2, 5, 8, under 3, 6, 9. That's gonna be where you put the capital letters for the story that matches the graph. Now, these are like clues. You're going to read the description and see if you can find what matches the graph. So, for example, letter A says a coach. Now, this is not a coach like Coach Richardson or something. This is a coach like a stagecoach, the old-timey, that they pulled with a horse. A coach leaves the station at 10 a.m. and reaches Gloucester Station at 11:30 a.m. How long is that from 10 to 11:30? An hour and a half. So 1.5 hours. It stops here for half an hour. It then carries on or moves for 30 minutes, reaching Worcester 40 km later. 40 km, is that time? No. This is a unit of distance. Okay? So you're looking for clues. Now, did they ever say anything about going back to where they came from? No. So when you look at these pictures, we know there are some graphs that look like they're going back to where they came from. What number would look like it goes back to where it came from in this top row? 2. Anything that looks like this, that ain't it. So it's not 2, it's not 7, it's not 8.
Wait, they didn't say it was going back.
It didn't say it went back. It said they kept going.
So
Okay? Don't say what it is. I'm just saying what it's not. Okay? So you're going to eliminate what you don't even need to look at. What else do we know? We know the unit of measurement for distance. So when you look at the distance, here it says km, but here it says miles. We don't need to look at that one because it ain't that one. So it could be 1, it could be 3, it could be 6. You need to look to figure out specifically what shows 1.5 hours. Does 1 show 1.5 hours? No, that shows 2, so it's not there. So do you see what I'm saying? By you look at the clues in words and then you find the graph that matches and you put the capital letter on the blank that it matches. If you get to one that's very confusing, don't waste your brain power on it because there's 9 graphs and there's 9 letters. Guess what? If you figure the rest of them out, it'll be the one that's left. Okay? Process of elimination. So, if it's confusing you, skip it and save it for the end. Okay? You will have narrowed down the choices by that point. Okay? Work smarter, not harder. All right? So, when you're finished, you're going to put your date stamp right over here. You're going to check your name on the clipboard and you're going to turn it into the basket. Okay? It's independent work. You can use your notes on page 30 or 31, whichever your class period is 31. If you want to work at a table by yourself, you can. Any questions? Get busy.